Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. I'm here today to give you another tutorial. This is what we are going to be doing today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. I have a lot of interesting videos for you. Kindly subscribe, and thanks to all my subscribers, the returning subscribers and the new subscriber. Thank you very much. So let's go to the table and see the way I was able to achieve this. So lovely. Thank you for staying by. For you to get it round, you have to increase and decrease your bead that you'll be using here, which I will show you as time goes on. So let me start. I will use one blue to stop. I want to stop the bead. I want to stop the fish line so that the bead will not fall down. So you stopping, you have to tie. You tie 2 or 3 times. Then you now pick blue. You pick 20. Let me see, 21. This is 21. This is 21. So what we are going to be doing is we now fold it. You pick the last, you pick 1, 2, 3, 4. You pick 3. And you see the way I did it. I picked the last 1, 2, 3, 4, but I picked 1, 2, 3. Remaining one here. This is the stopper. This is what I used to stop it. So I pick this one. I pick 1, 2, 3. Hmm? Can you understand me, please? So I'm trying to see the way I can explain it further. This is 4. The last 4 plus the stopper. But I pick 3. I left 1. Sorry, I leave 1. So this 3. This is how it will look like after holding 3. So we continue, and I will pick blue. I will pick one blue, one yellow, one pink, one deep pink. Then I will now pick 3 yellow. Can you see? I picked one blue, one yellow, one deep pink, and 3 yellow. So I pull it down. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I will take my needle back. I will leave this blue up to this yellow, the first yellow I first picked. Can you see? I want us to see, please. So you now pull it. Sorry, the needle has fallen down. Take it back to that yellow. Only the yellow, you pick only the yellow. Then you now pull your thread. You now pull your thread to get the rose. What I'm trying to do is to form this rose, or flower rather, anyone you want to call it. Can you see? Let me cut this one off. So what we are going to do now is to pick another 3 yellow. Pick another 3 yellow. This is it. After picking it, let it go down to the fish line, to the end of the fish line. What you are going to do next is to hold it here. You pick 7. You pick 7. You pick 7 blue. So after picking 7 blue, you now count this one, 1, 2, 3. You leave 3. Then the next 3, you hold the next 3. You take your needle through the next 3. Can you see? And you now pull it down. After this, you now pick 11. You pick 11 blue, or you use any other color of your material, any color you want to use. You pick 11, then you now go up, count 4 to the top, 1, 2, 3, 4. But you are going to use only 3. You pick the 3, you leave 1, and you now draw your fish line. This is how you continue to do it. So now we take 1 blue, 1 yellow, 1 pink, deep pink, then 3 yellow. Can you see? Can you see? So now pull. Can you see the shape? You now pick another 3. Pick another 3 yellow. You see? Then you now go through the first yellow here. You go through the first yellow here. The first yellow. Then you now pull down. You see? Then you turn it down back. Turn it down. You see? So after turning it down, you pick 7. 7 blue. 1, 2, 7. Let it go down. This is the 7. Then you now count from here, from this round one. You count 1, 2, 3. You leave 3. Then you now take the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th. You take 3. Can you see? Can you see the way my pen is? And you now put it down. And you now pick another 11 blue. This is the 11. Let it go down. This is 11. So what you are going to do is you count 4 up. This blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to be using 3. You put your needle to the 3. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Can you see what I'm doing? You put your needle like this. Then you pull. So we are going again. You pick 7 blue. This is how you are going to be doing it to the length that you want. But there is something technical about it, as I've said earlier on. This is 7. We are going to put this one here. You count 1, 2, 3. You leave this 3. You leave the first 3. Then you now use the next 3. Let me see. This 3. And you now pull. Then you count 11 again. Five. 10, 11. Let it go down. Then you now go up. Then you now pick one blue, one yellow, one pink. Then you now pick 3. This is how you are going to be doing it. Pick 3. Then you now go to the back of this. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. So I would like you to go and continue. Go and do your own. You can send it to me on my Facebook, ShiningFolake. You send the picture of your own. And if you have any question, drop it on the comment box. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing to the tons. This is how you now continue. So if you want to get it run, there's something I need to tell you. At this point, you want it to run, you have to reduce this one. You know, we are counting 11. If you want it to run, at a point, you'll be using 10, 9, 8 for it to come around like this. If you continue to use 11, 11, 11, 11, 11 bead, it will go straight. But you have to know how to adjust it. You start by reducing this side. At a point, to get to this end, I use 9 here. 9. At a point, I use 10, 11. Here, I use 12 here. Oh, no, I use 11 at the center. Then 10, 9, 8. So that is how I was able to get this the round shape. But if you continue to use 10, 10 or 11, 11 for this side, for this next side, it will just go straight like that. So I hope you understand what I have said. So if there is any question, please drop it in the comment box. I will be happy to answer you and give it a thumbs up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you on my next video.